The flat Earth theory suggests that the Earth might be flat, although descriptions of its specific shape vary among proponents. Its history traces back to ancient civilizations like Mesopotamians, Egyptians, and Greeks, who perceived the horizon as flat, leading to the belief in a flat Earth model. However, Greek philosophers like Pythagoras and Aristotle around the 6th century BCE challenged this idea, presenting evidence supporting a spherical Earth based on celestial observations. Aristophanes' calculation of Earth's circumference further supported the spherical model. The concept of flat Earth experienced resurgence in 1830s when a commune in Britain led by writer Samuel Burley revived the idea in response to rapid scientific progress. This revived belief depicted the Earth as a circular disk or plane, sometimes with the North Pole at the center and Antarctica as an ice pole at the edges containing the ocean. In the 1950s, the Flat Earth Society, initially a small fringe group in Britain with around 4,000 members, laid the foundation for modern flat Earth beliefs. However, with the rise of internet and increased interest in conspiracy theories, the concept gained global prominence, leading to the worldwide launch of Flat Earth Society in October 2009. Now let's look at some theories that the Flat Earth Society believes in. Number 1. Gravity is an illusion. They believe that objects do not fall downwards. Instead, the disc-shaped Earth accelerates upward at a speed of 9.8 meter per second squared, driven up by a mysterious force called dark energy. Number 2. Atmo layer. They believe that the inhabited part of Earth is covered with layers of gases, which is called atmo layer, the flat Earth name of atmosphere. The atmo layer consists of four sublayers: tropolayer, stratolayer, mesolayer, and ionolayer. The containment of the layers inside the edge of flat Earth are explained by different theories such as the Great Ice Wall, dark energy field, and infinite Earth. Number 3. Aurora of the northern lights are believed to be caused due to highly charged particles from solar wind being trapped in Earth's magnetic field. But the Flat Earth Society believe that the auroras are the result of electrons colliding with oxygen and nitrogen molecules in the Earth's atmoplane. As these molecules become energized, then cool down from their energized state, they emit actual light that can be seen by the naked human eye. Number 4. Viewing distance. It has been noted that although they claim the Earth is flat, distant continents thousands of miles away remain unseen. This is due to the fact that atmosphere is not perfectly transparent. There is a limit to human sight before all the lands are faded and obscured by the thickness of atmosphere. Number 5. Focal pendulum. The focal pendulum is an experiment which consists of a heavy weight suspended from a long wire or rod, allowing it to swing freely. It demonstrates the rotation of Earth. However, the Flat Earth Society rejects this experiment because of different interpretation of pendulum's movement. They claim that the pendulum movement is not caused by Earth's rotation but by the other factors such as air currents and electromagnetic forces. Number 6. Sunrise and sunset. According to some flat Earth theories, the sun is much smaller and closer to Earth than what mainstream science suggests. They propose that sun moves in a circular path above flat Earth similar to a spotlight, illuminating different parts of Earth at different times. This explanation implies that the sun does not actually rise or set. Instead, it moves beyond the horizon, causing the appearance of sunset and sunrise. Now let's look at some evidence that put a question mark on flat Earth theory. First and foremost, we can go and see the pictures of Earth from outer space, which are clicked by space agencies of various nations, and it clearly shows that the Earth is round. Number 2. Gravity. On a flat Earth model, the gravity would be really strong in the middle and weak at the edges, which means if you drop an object, it would fall with a slight angle. But as we know, the object falls straight down, hence disproving the flat Earth theory. Number 3. Lunar Eclipse. During a lunar eclipse, Earth passes between the Sun and the Moon, allowing Earth to cast its shadow on the Moon. That shadow is always a circle, no matter where you are on the planet, no matter the timing of the eclipse, proving the Earth is round. Number 4. And this is like my question to the flat earthers. If Earth was really flat, then all the other planets and moons should also seem flat when we look at them. But when we take a look at them with our naked eyes or by using a telescope, they actually look round, like balls or marbles. And for them to look round but actually be flat, the flat side would need to point at us perfectly at all the time. And given the billions of celestial bodies in our universe, this becomes highly improbable. This observation strongly supports the understanding that celestial bodies, including our Earth, are not flat but rather three-dimensional spherical objects. In the conclusion, I would like to say, as we delve into these contrasting perspectives of the shape of our planet, it raises an interesting question. Why would the government, or any entity for that matter, conceal the true nature of our world?